Alright, so last night, Nick says to me, so last night was Friday night. It's Saturday right now. He says, dude, how's the bird doing? Like, what's the list looking like? I'm like, yeah, a couple things here and there. He's like, you want to go autocross it on Sunday? So I said, sure, why not? Now, this isn't tuned yet, this is just the startup tune on the Holly, but it's learning, so I can apply the learning table from the fuel, but then I will have to need it like dyno tune to really hash in the, that's not plugged in now.
Okay, I was gonna say.
No, we're at 194 right now. Alright. But
check it.
Alright, well, Joey left. But, hi girls. We got Christy. Everyone knows Christy. Mandy, you've probably been in a couple of videos. I don't know. No one really watches any of this stuff. Oh, dude. I drink beer all the time on this channel. The Almost OEM Garage. We're at Street Fab Performance. This is Joey's shop. Look, there's another one. And I believe it. Built by the best. I had this car in here for well, I was looking for a funnel or something. And he goes, oh, by the way, sorry, I had to clean your windows. Like, dude, if you want your stuff done right, taken care of, this guy knows what's up. Look. Oh. He's like, sorry, I had to. I'm like, are you kidding me? Okay, let's see what they got here. So there's a Hellcat out there. I think it's a Hellcat. I don't know. Big ass Challenger engine in this car. What car is this? A Z? It's a Z of some sort? It's awesome. So, yeah. I don't know. I thought they were all supercharged. I guess not. I don't really know anything about anything. But that's cool. We know what that is. That's an LS. Don't know what the car is because I don't know anything. Oh, it's another Z. Okay, cool. That's a 2JZ in some kind of a Z, 350, 370. Joey, you're the guy for this. I'm trying to tell them what they're... all right, he doesn't like being on the camera.
Terrible at it.
What is this one?
It's isn't it a 350Z?
350Z, all right, with the 2JZ. I had that part right.
Yeah.
How big's the turbo?
Barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree. What's this? What's the story? 5.3, 4.8?
5.3.
Excellent.
My buddy's Tahoe that he totaled.
Oh, no shit. Is it like cammed or anything? Like what?
No, it's
stock?
just stock.
That's still going to be
we have
awesome.
stuff for it. It's one of those we haven't put it together. We gutted everything out of it. It's going to be a drift car.
Cool. Oh, you don't really need, I mean,
yeah.
300 horsepower is probably going to be fine.
Yeah, I mean,
excellent. Like, wow, look at that oil pan. Whoa. Oh, yeah. What is that? That's just like front sump or something?
Yeah.
Is that what they call it? That's sweet.
Alright, get to your car, babe.
Oh yeah, because no one knows what my car is about. I think that was a Hellcat, and this is another 350, right? Or is it 370?
No, this is a Genesis.
Oh, this is a Genesis. See, I don't know nothing. Look at that. It's got some work to do, to be done to her, but that's gonna be awesome. But yeah, that's what they're building here.
We're trying to fit the dash and everything in there.
Oh, nice.
It's just gonna be a nightmare.
That's excellent. And then, what's that one up there? Because that's got a turbo on it.
That's another 350Z.
Oh, what is
Alex just did all the
stock engine or?
I think so. It's a customer's car. Alex just did all this.
Woo! Oh yeah, I didn't even ask you about this one. Whoa! My dude! What is that? Is that the stock engine? I don't know anything about it.
It's a stock engine.
Whoa!
They just did all the piping.
Oh, I won't touch. No touchy.
Obviously, that was not us.
That is awesome. Oh, so you guys did all this?
Yeah.
And all this?
Yeah.
These are clean. Are these your welds, Joey?
No. God, no.
Cause that's nice. Oh yeah, thanks, baby. Yeah. That's cool as hell, dude. My goodness. All right, well, I think we're gonna go check out the brake. So, you saw the drive. It was awesome. Transmission is shifting great now. It just needed fluid. It turns out the automatic transmissions need fluid to go into gear and to drive. But my butt dyno says it was that was faster than this has ever been. I mean, a butt dyno?
Yeah.
So a butt dyno is it's like, oh, you know, you have a real dyno, a dynometer, if you will, and that tells you what your horsepower is. This is a butt dyno. It's just like, you say what it feels like. Your butt tells you. You know that sinking in the seat.
I got you now.
It's
Yeah.
like, womp, like, oh, that's however many powers.
Yes.
Was it? How did it feel? I'm biased, but I was driving it. It was fun.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it felt quick.
Shits and gives.
So it shits and gets, and it has yet to be like actually tuned. Like the timing just needs to be tuned. The fueling still needs to be tuned too. That's just the startup
Yeah.
from the Holly. Yeah. All right. Cool. So we're gonna look at these brakes because I didn't like how squishy they felt. So we'll get back at you. Well, sad news. Was driving over to Nick's house for this autocross thing, and as I was going there, I heard the valve start ticking, and then I gave it gas, and that noise went away. But now the oil pressure is like way lower than it's supposed to be. Like, even when I give it gas, like you just saw, it doesn't even build up. Yesterday, it was at like 50, and when I was ripping it, it was perfect. But just on the way over this morning, that happened. I guess that's race car life, but I'm pretty freaking bummed.